I now want to look at running a chi-square test. I've already read in my data that looks at different grading methods and then the grades of various students. And in this case, we can double check. But if I do a table of the methods, we can see that there are a total of 3 methods, each with 8 grades in them. If I look at a table of the grades of each of these, we can see that my grades range between A and D. In order to perform a chi-square test, I'm going to use chi-sq.test. And then I'll input my 2 variables. I essentially want to see if the method of grading had any impact on the grades. So I want to see if these are related at all. And when I run this, I get a few different things. This x squared value, this is my test statistic. I have a test statistic of 9.35. Degrees of freedom is equal to 6. And my p-value is 0.1548, which is a pretty high value. This means there's really not much evidence that different grading methods resulted in different grades. It doesn't seem to be that there's any relationship between these 2 variables. And I did get this warning method that says my chi-square approximation may be incorrect. This is a result of the fact that these data are very, very small. And if I try to build the table of the grades method and the grades, if I try to build my 2-way table, I can see that there are a lot of very small values in this table. And that means the chi-squared is not going to be a super great method, so that's why it's giving me this warning. It essentially has to do with the small sample size.